Hi, how you doing today? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and wow, Tilray. Tilray is just having a monster day. Tilray up 16.91% at $45.36. Just absolutely exploding. And all the markets are green today. Thanks, Mr. Trump. Thank you, Mr. Trump, for announcing that the war on tariffs with Mexico will be easing, which has really allowed the markets to have a good day today. But Tilray stock is soaring after an early investor agrees to cash out quietly. That's the news on Tilray right now. Canadian marijuana grower Tilray and its early investors reached a deal that should prevent a flood of shares from hitting the market. The highly shorted Tilray stock ticker, TLRY, was trading above $40 on news of the deal, shooting up 14.7% to 44.54 Monday morning, while the broader S&P 500 index was up 0.8%. Tilray stock has drawn significant short sell interest. Andrew left. Nearly 25% of the shares available for trading are shorted, according to Bloomberg. 25% of the shares are shorted. How are those shorts feeling today? Thank you guys for joining. How you guys doing today? What's up, Joe? How you doing, Kenitha? BYND, man. I told you guys one of my top 10 picks for June. They haven't disappointed. They've been absolutely on fire. Beautiful bronze goddess. How you doing? Nitin. My view on Cannabis is a long-term giant, and they will just keep getting bigger, and they will just keep getting better. I think everybody knows what I feel about Cannabis. I've talked about them more than anybody. Yeah, Tilray, I've been telling you guys Tilray was undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. What's up, Jason? You bought a new horse today? Organogram? Yeah, man, that's the thoroughbred. What's up, Bo? How you doing, Chin? If you guys have been watching Rich TV Live, I told you guys, I've been saying Tilray. I've been mentioning Tilray. I've been saying invest in the best is blessed. And I actually just said that Tilray was going to go back to $100. I announced it on this show because it is going in the right direction. They are a giant, okay? They have all the right partnerships, all the right relationships. They are doing business in America. They're doing business in Canada. They're doing business internationally. They're doing business with huge players. Tilray is going to be a giant. There's no doubt about it. I'm not surprised that Tilray is doing well. I told you this was going to happen. I said to everybody that this was going to happen. Beyond Meat, BYND, I told you guys that this would happen with BYND. I told you BYND was one of my top picks for June. I also told you that Pays was one of my top picks for June. Take a look at Pays. Pays. They're bouncing as well. How you doing, Shelby? Yeah, BYND has been absolutely on fire. Thank you guys for the likes. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think Namaste is a good company. I think the earnings are okay. I believe that they're trading where they should be. Do I believe in Radiant Technologies? Yes, I believe in Radiant Technologies big time. RTI in Canada. I believe it's RDDTF in America. Yeah, I love them. So let's just read up a little bit more here on Tilray. A lockup agreement prevented Tilray's largest shareholder, Privateer Holdings, from shares selling expired in January. While the firm had said it would sell Tilray shares in the first half of 2019, short sellers who used borrowed shares to gamble that the stock would drop in price have been focused on the possibility that Privateer might now want to cash out its 75 million shares, or 77% of Tilray shares outstanding. But guess what? Privateer, a Seattle-based private equity firm focused on marijuana investment, backed by billionaire investor Peter Thiel. Tilray is betting big on international growth. CEO Brendan Kennedy has said he sees the company's presence in Germany doubling next year. Jefferies analyst Owen Bennett told Barron's last week that Germany's picking up, but it's not on that sort of trajectory. The stock has fallen 75% this year, dipping below the $40 line until today, for the first time since marijuana was first legalized in Canada last fall. So what's new? Tilray announced Monday it and Privateer Holdings agreed to do a downstream merger that will make Privateer a wholly owned subsidiary of Tilray. Tilray will issue new registered shares of common stock to Privateer, with all existing shares canceled when the merger is completed. Whoa, that's a big deal. What's up, Christopher? Jason says, owned Organigram in the past. Glad to have it back. Village Farms has hemp in Texas. Yeah, I like both of those companies. Scott Norris says, Sprouli is getting a flower cultivation license. Good hold, Shelby. Holding on 40 North 2. I like those companies as well. Gary Castellano says, what's up, Rich? What's your take on CanTrust? Love CanTrust. Think it's cheap, and I see CanTrust going much higher. I'm telling you guys, man, I told you guys, invest in the best. The best is blessed. When they're going down, this is nothing more than a buying opportunity, and we're seeing it now. So the deal will also extend the lockup period for 2 years. So we don't have to worry about any selling pressure on Tilray for 2 years. So this is shorts covering. This is shorts getting squeezed. This is people buying Tilray right now. In the first year, shares will be released to marketed offerings and or block trades to institutional investors or through stock sales to strategic investors, both at the discretion of Tilray, the company said. During the second year, Tilray will begin a staggered release of the remaining shares. This is so big. I wouldn't be surprised to see Tilray go back to 100, guys. Now that I know this, now I know they're going 100. It's just a matter of if, not even a matter of when now. We know they're going back to 100. I didn't even know this was going to happen before I predicted they would go back to 100. We appreciate the long-term confidence that Privateer has in Tilray business, and we look forward to having their investors as part of our stockholder base, Tilray CFO Mark Castaneda said in a statement. Privateer managing partner Michael Blue said the deal will maximize overall returns in a tax-efficient manner. Looking ahead, Cohen analyst Vivian Azar maintained an outperform rating in a note to clients Monday. The transaction effectively flips the control of a stock sale from Privateer to Tilray, TLRY, and provides Tilray increased ability to manage its public float, she noted. In addition, the extended lockup and conditions associated with transactions reduce the risk associated with an excessive increase in Tilray's public float. This is big. This is big. And Tilray is responding in kind. Tilray is responding in kind. Let's just take a look at the markets. Now, if there's anything that is flying right now, please let me know. Let me know what's flying. Tilray is absolutely flying on this news, and they're currently trading at $45, up 16%. Absolutely loving Tilray. Would have loved them under 40, now at $45. Do you guys think that Tilray goes higher? Do you think Tilray goes lower? What do you think Tilray does? I'm telling you, Tilray is a giant, okay? An absolute giant. Let's take a look at what else is popping today. Take a look at this one. This one is absolutely crazy. This thing has been halted like 10 times today. So for those of you guys who don't know, I do have a trading academy. What's up, Julian Lewis, J. Lewis Trading Academy. And we have members that were buying NBY today. Novo Bay Pharma. Well, NBY had a crazy day today, okay? They've been as high as $3. They are currently up over 600%. They've been halted like 10 times today, okay? And members that are part of the J. Lewis Trading Academy and part of our community have been trading NBY today and have been winning. I'm not suggesting you go and buy it. It's up 600%. That's not what I'm telling you. I'm just saying that NBY was an alert given by J. Lewis Trading and the J. Lewis Trading Academy today within our community early in the morning when it was up, and it continued to climb and climb and climb and climb. It started at 88 cents today, went as high as $3. I saw it as high as 800% at one point. The trading volume is staggering. It's about to hit 35 million shares in trading volume. Insane. Absolutely insane. Now, I haven't even done the research. I haven't done the due diligence. I don't know nothing about this company. I don't know why it's up 600%. I don't know if there's some huge news. I don't know if it's a big pump. I don't know if it's going to be a dump. I don't know if it's all hype. I have no idea. I just know that this bad boy flew. NBY on the Amex, Nova Bay Pharma. Oh, this is the news right here. Nova Bay's stock more than triples after Avinova made available on Amazon without a prescription. Shares of Nova Bay Pharmaceuticals Inc. up over 600%, more than tripled in very active pre-market trade Monday after the biopharmaceutical company said its Avinova eye care product is now available without a prescription on Amazon.com. And by the way, Amazon.com is also up 3.76%. Through its new direct-to-consumer online channel, Avinova is a lid and lash spray designed to remove bacteria and debris on and around the eyelid margin. The stock rocketed 262% on volume of 1.1 million shares. This is pre-market, to make it the most actively traded ahead of the open. While prescription and Avinova continues to be available through retail pharmacies and direct in-office sales by certain eye care specialists, patients and physicians have asked for greater accessibility to the product, said Nova Bay Chief Executive Officer Justin Hall. In response, we are launching our new U.S. direct-to-consumer channel, which is a significant step to ensuring easy access at an affordable price. The stock has tumbled 59% year to date through Friday, while the S&P 500 has risen 0.8% or has gained 15%. So be careful. The stock is down over the year. Clearly, it's having a massive day today, but I'm not suggesting you go and buy it or chase it. It is very volatile. It's gone up a lot. It's come down a little bit. So be careful with this stock, but it's definitely one to watch. NBY. And if you are part of the winners within our membership today, within our Telegram and within our J. Lewis community, J. Lewis Trading Academy community that profited from NBY, congratulations. You're a big winner today. So that's what this is about, guys. It's about winning. Christopher Doyle says, I love cannabis. I thank the universe every day for this wonderful plant. Christopher Doyle says, this plant has over 400 compounds. No other plant on the planet can match it. You are correct. And this is why we're here. And this is why we are talking about the cannabis sector. And this is why we will continue to talk about the cannabis sector. We're going to continue to bring you guys the news. We're going to continue to bring you guys the winners, because every single day there's going to be winners. And every single day, there's going to be news. And every single day, different things are going to happen. And you guys need someone that can break it down and make you understand what is really happening in the marketplace. I want to be that guy. Okay. And what's up? How you doing? I also want to bring you another pick that has been brought to my attention, LWAY. Now, this is a pick that was promoted by National Inflation Association. I feel like they are the biggest and the best promoters in the marketplace right now for small cap stocks. They brought LWAY, and LWAY is up 11% today at $2.67. Still has relatively light volume, but just put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. It could be another one of those winners that just keeps climbing, okay? These guys have a good track record. I watch all their picks. I am a member of their newsletter, so I do get their picks, and LWAY is another one of their picks that I think everyone should be watching. I told you guys about Pays. It was another one of my picks that I said that I thought was going to have a very big June. They are not disappointing. Pays currently at $11.91, up 8%. Another one of my picks that I brought to you for June 2019. And I said that they're going to be huge. And look at this, up $11.91. Now up 8%. They have just been absolutely on fire, and they just keep going higher. So add Pays to your watch list, put on your radar. They just keep getting better. And then Beyond Meat. Let's talk about Beyond Meat. Another one of my picks that I gave to you guys for June 2019. Told you guys these guys are popping up everywhere. You can see they're selling Beyond Meat burgers at A&W. They're selling Beyond Meat burgers at the local grocery store. And Beyond Meat burgers is ridiculous. When I gave you guys the alert of BYND, it was under $100. It is now at $170, up 22% today alone, or up $31 today alone. Absolutely unbelievable. Beyond Meat burgers, BYND, just absolutely on fire. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for being here. So some of the picks that we are watching are having a really good day today, and we are going to continue to watch them, and we're going to continue to talk about them. And if there's any picks that are doing well today that I should look at or I should talk about, please drop them in the chat. I'd love to see your picks that you guys are looking at, that you guys are watching. We are trying to stay in our lane, and we are trying to invest in the best because we believe that the best is blessed. Take a look at MedMen. I told you guys MedMen would climb. I told you MedMen would not stay down forever. I told you MedMen would hit a bottom. I told you MedMen was one of my top picks for June 2019. What do we see? MedMen is now at $2.99. They've come all the way back from really, really low levels, and they are now getting back to $3, and they're just too big to stay at those levels. They're too big. They're too strong. They're too good. Look at that. MedMen just hit $3. It's now up 4%. They're too good to keep down. You cannot keep a good thing down. And MedMen is a great company. They are a giant trading at small cap prices. A giant cannabis company that has the potential to be one of the biggest in America, trading at a small cap price of $3. And we could have got in at $2. That was the time to buy MedMen. If you can get MedMen under $3, you're buying a winner. I'm telling you right now. There's no way MedMen stays under $3. Absolutely no way MedMen stays under $3. Look at BAM, BAMM, BMMJ in America. BAM has been getting annihilated since they announced that they raised capital. The stock went from $2.71, which I predicted, under $2. I predicted that. They went all the way to $1.30. Now they opened up at $1.39 today. They're now at $1.51, up 5.59%. Is that the bottom for BAM? Do we get into BAM now? Is this the time to position ourselves for BAM? I would love to know what you guys think about BAM at $1.51, up 5.59%. Did they hit the bottom? Love to know your opinion on that. Because these companies can't go down forever, guys, and they've been getting annihilated. Like, they can't keep going down forever. Our job is to find the bottom, and I think we may have found it. AUSA is now up slightly 1.9% at $1.07. I see huge upside for AUSA. If you can buy AUSA under $1, that is the price. Our entire community is hunting AUSA under $1. Every time they go under $1, it seems like that's the buy. Okay? Hello from Germany. How you doing in Germany? BAM had RTO shares unlocked, causing the last sell-off. Yeah, I mean, that's very possible. Plus, they just raised capital. And typically, shorters, when they see any companies do a financing that's toxic, that could potentially draw the price down. And especially when they're doing financing at lower prices and the stock is trading, we've seen this trend and the stocks have gone down. Just the way it's going. Sandeep says 2.4 million shares unlocked and sold from previous owners. Yeah, I mean, you've seen the stock go from 60 cents to a few dollars. Why wouldn't you sell? Absolutely. You got to take the money and run. Yeah, MedMen's doing better and nothing really has changed. The only thing that's changed is that some of the guys that were taking them to court have dropped their frivolous lawsuit. I mean, it's nonsense. So, of course, we're going to see them go up now. They're not a bad company. They've just been under a lot of negative, bad news, a lot of selling pressure. And those are the buying opportunities, guys. Those are the buying opportunities. We have to really learn how to determine what is a buying opportunity. And when great companies are down, that's the time for us to buy. And when great companies are up, that's the time for us to sell. I told you guys about 4 companies. I told you Pax Labs is partnering with 4 companies: Organigram, Afria, Cannabis Growth, and Fire. What's Fire doing today? Fire is on fire, people. Fire is up 5%. And let's take a look at the other 3 that I did a video on this weekend and I prepared you guys for. Hope you guys are watching that. Weed is up 3%. WEED in Canada, CGC in America. They're up 3% on the news with Pax Labs. And let's take a look at OGI, Organigram. Love them. OGI up 1.78%. OGI is up. And Afria. So the 4 companies that did the deal with Pax Labs are all green. There we go. And Afria is up 2.27% at $7.44 in America. I'm telling you guys, Afria is dirt cheap. I'm telling you right now, Afria is dirt cheap, man. I'm telling you. So, guys, I'm going to continue to bring you the winners. I'm going to continue to bring the news. And we are in a revolution for cannabis stocks. We are seeing a nice little turnaround here after a very bad start to June. Could this be the start of the resurrection? I predicted that the resurrection would start in July. Could it start in June? Imagine if it starts right now. Thank you guys for the likes, eh? Imagine if the resurrection starts right now. I'd be so happy. Oh my goodness. I'd be so happy. Oh my goodness. Because we got edibles coming. We got legalization in America coming. We have so many catalysts that are coming. Could you imagine if it started right now? Just imagine. Stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated. Huge day for the Toronto Raptors today. The Toronto Raptors going for the NBA championship. It sounds like a dream. Doesn't even sound real. The Toronto Raptors are playing for the NBA championship today. The Toronto Raptors have a chance to make history, being the first non-American team ever to win the NBA championship and bring it back to Canada. It seems crazy. It seems far-fetched. It seems like a dream. The Toronto Raptors are leading the Golden State Warriors 3-1 in the NBA Finals. And today, they can win the NBA championship if they beat Golden State in Toronto, which I think they have a very good chance to do. I have to pinch myself. It doesn't even feel real, but it is. So go Raptors, Go cannabis stocks. Go stocks in general. Let's go. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring the winners and we bring them to you first. If there's any stocks you want me to look at, if there's any companies I need to watch, please comment down below. If you like this video, smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the bell for notifications. So every time we go live, anytime we have any breaking news, CEO interviews, breaking sports, trending topics, travel, you name it, you'll get access to it first. Hit that bell for notifications. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that like down below and comment on the show, because all we do is bring you winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and we're out. Another big day for the cannabis stocks. Another great day in the markets overall. Can it continue? We hope it does. And I'm out. Peace. Invest in the best. The best is blessed. Stay in your lane. If you were buying Tilray, Aurora, Afria, Canopy, Fire, Organigram, Beyond Meat Burger, Pays, all picks that I've been talking to you guys about, today you're a big winner. It's true. Peace.